Oh, all you fans of mine and people are going to watch this video. It is 2:20 a.m. Sunday, July 25th, and we're supposed to get anywhere from 9 inches, well, they're saying 13 inches by Monday around noon. It just started snowing here probably within the last hour, I would say. And we're here in Swissvale, PA. And it's already how far. And nobody's come down this way since it started. And it is freezing cold. So I'm going to do a quick video, and I'll do one about the day. They've been calling for its last how many days for the storm to come. It's going to be heavy snow. All day today. All through Sunday. It's freezing. This is my street on Swissvale. Right off of Hill Avenue from Triangle Bar. Going into Rankin. "13 inches. That's going to be the most we've had all this year, and for how long? It doesn't look like that much in the back, but this is my front street, the main street. This is supposed to come anywhere after 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock last night on Saturday. It didn't. It probably started here like around 1:30, 2 o'clock, I would say. Not long. It's going to come down hard and fast. The biggest snow we've had in a long time. So we won't be going nowhere anytime soon. Imagine taking 13 inches off of your car for to go and then cleaning up the roads and clean your car off of that. Not me. It's going to be only about a 5-minute video, and it's going to be nothing great because not really much to show. And I bet there's going to be accidents like crazy. And then what time earlier they had to put a restriction on the turnpike, the parkway, Route 28, all kinds of reduced speeds, and no trucks, tractor trailers, no cars pulling trailers, certain kind of pickup trucks or stuff like that. Some kind of tier level they put up, the state of Pennsylvania, PennDOT did, on the major roads. So that way there's no accidents and stuff like that. People get snowed in and what have you. At like what time today? It was like around, it popped up around 11 o'clock yesterday morning. You can tell it's already going to be terrible. Now I'll do another video. This is video 1 of I don't know how many of our biggest snow here in January of 2026. Hope everybody likes it and looks out for the future ones. My name is Melvin, and please like, subscribe, and hit that button. And if you want, you can leave comments. If I'm doing things right, things are wrong, I would highly appreciate it. Thank you, and have a great day, and be safe and try to stay out of the weather if you're in this area. Through Ohio, Pennsylvania, Maryland, West Virginia. It's all going to be hit hard. I don't know where else it's all coming from. It's supposed to be a pretty wide northeastern, dipping down how far, and coming from, I guess, Illinois and all that area over in the west. Alright, so be safe, be careful, and be careful out there by shoveling snow, driving. Try to stay off the streets if you have to. Just do it. And I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next one.